Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on searching in EBSCOhost, our largest and most popular database. You can get to EBSCOhost by going to the main library page at library.snu.edu and clicking on the Search EBSCO link below the search bar. It may ask you to enter in your SNU credentials, the first part of your SNU email, and your password. From there, you'll be taken to the EBSCOhost Select Resource page. In the top left corner, click on EBSCOhost Web. And then you'll be taken to the EBSCOhost Search page. Before beginning your search, pay attention to what databases you are searching in. By clicking on All Databases, you can see that all of the databases within EBSCOhost have been selected. You can search this way, or you can uncheck the Select All option and specify just the databases within your discipline. Keep in mind that searching all the databases at one time will slow down your response time and may give you results that are not relevant to your topic. I would recommend searching in specific databases. I would like to search nursing and medical databases for this example. Academic Search Premier at the top is a general database that you can include for any subject search. I will also select CINAHL Plus with full text, Health Consumer or Health Source Consumer Edition, and Health Source Nursing Academic Edition. Master File, if I go up here, Master File Complete is another general database you can search along with Medline for anything medical. So once you have highlighted specific databases or checked Select All, click Select. This will take you back to the search page. Let's say I want to know about pediatric care and newborns. I'm going to type that in to the first box, pediatric care and newborns in the second box. When I think about my keywords, are there other search terms I could possibly use? Let's try and infants. So we already have gotten over 26,000 results. One way to narrow the results is to use quotation marks around any phrases that you would like to find grouped together. For example, I will add quotation marks around pediatric care. This brings down the results to almost 9,600 or to 9,600. You can also use the Boolean operators and, or, and not in all caps in order to include or exclude certain additional terms. Right now, this search is looking for all of the terms listed: pediatric care and newborns and infants. If I would change the and to or in all caps, it will drastically change the results to over 2 million, because now it is looking for the word newborns or infants within the main subject of the article. One way to refine your search is to use the filter options that can be found under the search bar. Selecting full text will only retrieve articles you can read right now. Selecting peer-reviewed will only pull up articles that have been reviewed by experts in the field. You may also change the date range to the last 5 years so that you can have the most up-to-date information in your field. Choose the All Filters option to see the other ways you can refine this search. To learn more about an article, you can read the summary or abstract under the title. So I can read this and quickly determine if it is something that will work for my research or not. You may also see the different subjects listed. If you're having trouble thinking of different keywords to use in your search box, you can look at the subject field and type in some of those terms. If you find an article that you would like to use, you can click on the Access options drop down. Here you can download with a PDF. or you can click into the article by clicking on the title. So when I click into the article, I have some choices to download the article. The top right side has options to save the article to your My EBSCO account. You must create a free account with EBSCO to keep the article saved. If you want to cite the article, you can choose the format that you need. Copy to clipboard, and you can copy and paste that into your references page. You can save this article to a project, almost like a folder. And you can share the article. You can email the article to yourself or save it and share it to your Google Drive or OneDrive. And that is how you conduct a search in EBSCOhost. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask the reference librarian in person or by phone, chat, or email. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.